You're up.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this day. This is amazing. There was no one available to take us out on a boat. Everyone was booked. It was a busy 4th of July weekend, and we found Captain Kathy at a Family Fun Boat Tours just by chance, just luck. And it has been one of the best vacations I've ever had. We saw dolphins jumping. We saw mangroves. We went deep into sandbars, and we saw just about every fish on the chart. We swam with sea turtles. I mean, we've been all over the world, and we have done snorkeling all over the world. And this is probably the best I've seen. I can't believe it. I didn't even realize this is here in our own backyard.
Did you have fun, John?
Oh.
Lots of fun. It's great.
How about you guys? Sleepy and sleepier.
Good. Hot. I need some sunscreen.
Okay.
Amazing. The best. The best. Best trip ever.